I'm Megan with WTI, and if you enjoy the soothing sounds of trickling water outdoors, then I have a simple, easy solution for you to achieve that right at home. It is with this solar pump by AISITIN. It comes with so many different water nozzles to choose from. All you have to do is put it in the water and make sure that the solar panel is facing the sun and it is good to go. It works. It is just that easy. So I created my own little patio water feature with some outdoor pots and some water, and it was really easy to do. And I just love sitting out here and reading or lounging by the pool and hearing those soothing water sounds. Every once in a while, you're going to want to clean the pump to maintain it, especially if there's debris that lands in the water. All I really had to do was take out the little foam insert that was in there. It's kind of like almost like a filter, and run it under some water and put it back in, put it back together. It was really easy to do. I propped my solar panel on a few rocks just to make sure it was closer to the surface so the sun could catch it. Honestly, this is such an easy, simple solution to make a beautiful water feature in your backyard. It's no wonder that these types of pumps are going viral, and I really like the quality of this pump by AISITIN, and I think you will too. And that's my point of view.